Terrific. You mentioned, Hollywood Boulevard closed down. It's like a movie set or something. I've never seen it like that.
It's crazy.
Very bizarre.
I mean, this is pretty impressive. They pulled out all the stops, and I think rightly so to, celebrate a film like this that's been going on for 40
over 40 years.
Yeah, 40 something years. And I saw that first film when I was like 11 years old. Changed my life, and it's super cool to be here with this guy.
We get to play together. It's so much fun. There's something about actors. It's almost like we're all in a gang together. We know we're kind of anxious. We want to pull off something good, and we know we want to relax, right? So we can let the best stuff come through, and and you pick it up pretty quick. And I felt that with you right away.
Yeah, for me too. I mean, easy to love. Jeff is exactly who you think he is, probably. Kind, generous, patient, fun, funny, and that's a beautiful thing. Sometimes they say you don't want to meet your heroes, but I'm certainly glad I did here. It was a beautiful thing to work together, I wish we could do it more.
Well, maybe we will. You never know,
cool.
man. Hope so.
Yeah.